Well, all right, gang. I appreciate you tuning in for that quick little ride, a little jaunt into downtown. We're at Waterworks Park right now, a massive park and recreational area. You can do a bunch of fishing, tons of river access. Cool little park in downtown Des Moines, Iowa. So, made my way down here, only 6-7 miles, something like that. So, a nice little, I don't know, 12 to 15 mile bike ride on my first time out on the season here. So, pretty good, pretty good. So, well, quick as I started, as quick as I end. We got to get back home. Not gonna film that. Same thing in reverse. Also, just imagine that bike ride in reverse, huh? Wow, wow. We'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for tuning in. Deuces.